How do you make millions of dollars in the game of real estate? My name is Kris Krohn. I created my first $1.6 million at the age of 26, which meant 6 figures for retirement right then. And now I've done it over and over and over again. Today, I'm gonna be sharing my secrets with you.
'Cause we're gonna be legends. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary.
So we're about to embark on a journey together because in this short video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my favorite and best secrets for making millions of dollars. I did it when I was young. I've done it over and over and over again. And frankly, creating millions of dollars, it's a system. So as I share that system with you, this would be a great video for you to take some notes because there's gonna be a few takeaways here for you. And then especially at the end, I'm gonna share with you my most accelerated path for how I make that a reality. Just to be clear, $1 million is not a lot of money. Like, I want you to think for a moment, Kris, if I was a millionaire, listen, that might have been true like 2 or 3 decades ago, but the reality is that $1 million, if you were to annuitize that at 4%, that's like $3,300 a month. It's pathetic, it's small. And if you have a nice lifestyle of $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year, you can burn through that in a number of very short years, which means that there's something that you need more than just $1 million. You know what you really need? You need a dependable cash flow. I thought it was all about being a millionaire in the beginning. It's interesting because 4.5 years later after I started my journey, I had a net worth of $1.6 million and I had basically a $12,000 a month residual income. Guess what was more meaningful to me? $1.6 million of net worth on paper or 12,000 real dollars a month coming into my bank account. Dude, if you're like most people, you're gonna say the residual income is way more important than the money. So being a millionaire is actually not what matters. What you're really looking for is money that will feed a particular lifestyle. Now, think about this. If you didn't have to work, what would you wanna do with your life? And what would it cost to do those fun things? And how much would you like to travel? And where do you wanna live? And if you were to rent a place, what would that cost? And if you wanted to drive the vehicle that you wanted, or maybe you just want to Uber everywhere, or you want to go via scooter, you can put math to all of that. And for a lot of people, surprisingly, if you don't have a family, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month can actually buy you a lot of lifestyle. For other people, they're like, nope, $10,000, $12,000 a month. And yet for others, it's $30,000, $50,000, $80,000 a month because they have really big dreams and big dreams take more money. And so no matter what the size of that is, there's something more important than being a millionaire. It's having a dependable residual income that can serve you every step of the way and support your financial decisions. So there are 2 phases of this wealth creation that I want to share with you today. I'm going to put it up here on the screen. This first phase, phase 1, this is all about starting to get some money put together that you can invest. What I'm about to say is not very popular, but I'm going to tell you it's super important. You've got to figure out how to save and put your savings into investments. If you're like most people, you live on whatever you make. So most people, they're like, oh, like, should I save 5% of my income or 10% of my income? I'm like, yeah, do you want to take forever to get wherever you want to go? No, phase 1 is about developing a track record, helping you buy your first investment properties. And so on this one, I recommend that you squeeze that budget in half and figure out, how do I save 40 cents on every dollar? Now I know that most of you are like, dude, Kris, that's crazy. Get over it. Figure it out. Put your mind to the task. Ask this question every day. How do I save 40%? I don't need this service. I should cancel that. And I shouldn't eat out this. And I shouldn't that. And I need to get a raise. And I need to figure out this. And I need to get a side gig economy hustle going on for me. There's different things that you can do. You need to figure that out. The only reason why I want you saving 40% is that so you can be dumping money into something like real estate. Real estate is the most expensive commodity that the average person will ever buy. It's something that people want. And so if I can buy a house for $200,000 and make $50,000 on it, or $100,000 on it, that can get me somewhere. That's like starter capital. So phase 1 is all about get your first several investments going. And you're just doing this by being really good with your money. But once you've done that, what you're really doing is getting a track record for phase 2. And phase 2 is where you experience, when you look at a curve and it goes like this, and then it goes like that, where it just goes straight on up. How that happens is with something I call my Real Estate Maverick program. So this Maverick program What it's basically about is I have commoditized how you can partner with me and other people. It's very simple. Every day, people all over the world watch my videos. And every day, people are reaching out. And you know what they're saying? They're saying, Kris, I have some money. Can I partner with you? And with my money, as we partner, can we create some real estate? Can we build a portfolio? I say yes to these people. And this week I've had a couple of partners just join up with me. We're going out, we're buying real estate together. But what do you do if you don't have money? That's actually not a real consideration for you. I've created a program where you could replace that literally with a referral. And if that referral chooses to partner with me, that's also going to equal real estate. And just like before, that's a 50-50 relationship. Now, if you refer someone to my channel, you refer someone to me, you refer someone to one of my events, and they actually end up saying, I'm gonna take my money and I wanna partner with you, then instead of 50-50, I'll take my portion and I'll actually split that evenly with you. And what that means is for literally just knowing the right person, have them get on my podcast, watch YouTube videos, come out to my event with me, have a life-changing experience when they partner with me. Now I take and I share a portion of that and I cut it back to you, and you and I become equal partners. For just a moment, think how crazy that is to be equal partners. I've never seen this done before, and I just started this experiment, and so far several people are jumping right in and finding people, moms and dads and friends and people that want to jump in and they want to play the game of real estate. Bottom line is, I don't think I would have been open even a year ago or years ago to doing this, because what I was really doing was forfeiting a lot of personal money that I could be gaining. And frankly, I'm at the point where I'm making a lot of money. I'm making a lot of money. So what can I do that can actually help more people? And so this program basically says, hey, listen, if you want to do what I did in the beginning, you want the same shot that I had, then come and play with me, work hard, find some people, share it. And if they decide to get involved with me and jump in on the game of real estate, guess what? We'll be equal partners, and now you'll be getting up and going and making it happen. Friends, that's what the Maverick program is really all about. And there's a link in the description below where if you click on it, I give you a lot more information about how that program works. At the end of the day, you want to be a millionaire, and I'm just sharing with you the fastest way that I know how. And it works, and it's powerful, and I've done it 4,000 different times on properties. So the next time I do it, it might be with you. It might be your shot, it might be your next time. I'm going to invite you to really get this one thing. Transcend our relationship. Don't just subscribe to my channel and watch these videos. You gotta take action. I wanna invite you to come out to one of my next events and get with me live for 4 days. That's when everything shifts and changes. Or join my Maverick program. I've made it possible for anyone who wants to join to be able to get in on that. You and I can actually go out there and crush it and do real estate together. Those are a couple of action steps and things that you can do. So my friend, today, as we get going on this journey together, you want to figure out how to become a multimillionaire. I've talked about a number of different principles that I think are really important. I want you to click the link in the description below and get with my team, read up some information on this. And if it really resonates with you to say, hey, I want to look into partnering with Kris, and I no longer need money to do it. That's the information that you're going to find on that page. And if we get to play that way, that means I've got personal trainings coming your way, trainings with my team, and our goal is simple: help you get in the game of real estate with no money, no credit. Check out the link. Otherwise, I'll see you on tomorrow's video.